1. Pick up your baby. You do not have to support the head and neck of older babies when you pick them up. Get close to the baby and squat down to pick the baby up. Reach under the baby's armpit and lift the baby towards you. 2. Carry your baby in front of you. Hold the baby's back against your chest. Put one hand around the baby's waist and use your other hand to support the baby's bottom. This position allows your baby to look around. You can use a variation of this position to soothe your baby if he or she is upset. 3. Hold the baby on your shoulder. Older babies enjoy being held on an adult's shoulders. Hold the baby facing your chest and allow the baby's arms to drape over your shoulders. You can use 1 or 2 hands depending on how heavy the baby is and if you need a free hand. 4. Carry the baby on your back. If your baby is able to support his or her own head and neck and the hips and legs open naturally, you can begin to carry the baby on your back using a baby carrier. This position allows you to be close to your baby and have a lot of mobility. Center the baby in the carrier and tighten the shoulder straps. The baby should feel snug against your body, but still be able to move. 5. Lift your baby into a car seat. If the car seat is in one of the outside seats, put one leg into your car and face the car seat to put the baby in and out of the car seat. This position takes some of the pressure off of your back. If the car seat is in the middle seat, get in the car and face the car seat to lift your baby into the seat. 6. Use a carrier with wide straps. As your baby becomes heavier, you may begin to feel a strain on your shoulders, neck, and back. Look for carriers with wide, padded straps and a waistband. The waistband helps support the baby's weight and takes the pressure off of your shoulders.